Sorry. Fine.
Hmm.
You're able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, collections. See, in generally, collection means in Java. Okay, Java collection means this is it's nothing but it's a kind of it's a data structure. The data structure means how the data is located. How the data is located in the particular variable or particular location actually. Okay, how the data is located. So generally, in Java, the collection is where it is located. Sorry, how they implemented in Java means that is implemented with the help of this list, set, and map. Okay, and also in simple definition is in Java collection is nothing but it's the collection of interfaces and classes. Okay, that you already know that what do you mean interface? Interface means we can achieve the what is that abstraction concept, right? That's what we have seen yesterday. That OOPS concept. Interface is nothing but it's we can achieve the design level implementations, right? Abstract class is the
Implementation.
right. The design level implementation we can do that. Okay, so the thing is again it's a interface. This collection, Java collection, is a collection of interfaces and classes. Right. So this is a design level thing, and this design level things will be implemented in the particular class. I'll repeat one more time. This is a design level thing. This is implemented in this class level. Okay. Simple.
So design level is interface and the implementation level is classes.
Right. Okay. Simple definition is a framework. Collection is nothing but a framework that give it to store, manipulate the group of objects. Store and manipulate the group of object means, see for example, I want to store student details, student age. Age will be a number. Student name will be a string, and the student mark will be 77.13. It's a floating point.
Floating point.
Right.
Okay.
So I want to get the detail bus. Who is the first one in the particular class? The class maybe contains 70 people. Out of 70 people, who's the first one? Who's the last one? Okay. And also the principal is asking this bus, can you provide the list of students in alphabetical order? Also, can you please provide the list of students in the age basis? Also, can you please provide the list of students date of birth basis? So that kind of things we can do.
Sorting.
Right. That term is we are calling as a manipulation of data. Okay. So that's what they are saying. The framework that gives a facility to store of object. Object means what actually? It's a student, right? Right. So 70 students means student is a common thing. That's a student class. 70 students means 70 objects. Right? Raja. Right? Different name will be there. Raja will be there. Right? Raghu will be there. Sundar will be there. Surya will be there. They are different objects. So we are doing the manipulation of the particular object. Getting?
Yes.
So we can perform the searching operation, sorting operation, insertion operation, manipulation operation, deletion operations. Everything we can do with the help of this particular collections. Okay. So this framework can be implemented by this particular list,
map. And map.
Okay. Again, I told this collection not only interface, it's a combination of so class, linked list one class, vector also another class, hash set is another class, linked hash set, tree set, sorted set is another interface, hash table is one class, linked hash table one class, hash map is one class, tree map, sorted map is an interface. So these complete thing is a collection. So again we will be getting. So do we need to mug up everything? No need to mug up actually. If you understand the concept, then that is very easy for you. Again, for entry level, no need to know all the things actually. Just understand the concept, then you will get it easily. Okay, fine. So for learning level, just learn only this one, array list. Okay, now what do you mean by list? We are going to talk about the list. We are going to talk about list and respective classes. Next, we are going to see set and respective classes and interface. Next is map and respective classes and interface. Okay, so now we are going to take the first section. I am not going to look for all the things because same story will be there for everything. Okay, first I am going to take the list. What do you mean by list? List will allow the duplicate elements. List will allow the duplicate elements. Okay, so there are, this list is an interface, right? This list is an interface. This can be implemented with the help of these classes: array list, linked list.
Linked list.
What do you mean by array list? Array list can contain the duplicates actually. And whatever element we are inserting, okay, it will be basing the one, it will be maintaining some order, that is insertion order. And it is non-synchronized. Non-synchronized means it will allow the multiple operation. For example, we are doing some, suppose, for example, what do you synchronize? We are doing cleaning operation in the home, right? Generally, people will, ladies will be cleaning, floor washing. They will do what they will do whenever they are doing the operation. They won't allow the other people to, don't come inside. Let me clean it and let it dry. So why we are doing such a thing actually? Once the dry happen, then other people are,
Hello.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Hey, போய் நீ அண்ணனோட விளையாடு போடு. Class attend பண்ணிட்டு வரேன். Non-synchronized. Hello, sir.
You're able to listen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My younger one is disturbing.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. So what is that actually here means? This is a non-synchronized means it will allow you. See what we are doing actually. We won't allow the people. We won't allow the people. Okay. But and doing the cleaning operation, don't come inside actually. So why we are doing such kind of things? Then only we will get the very cleaned floor. For example, non-synchronized means what will happen? Plus I'm doing the cleaning operation, you can come inside. So at the end of the operation, do you feel that the floor is clean? No. Because what will happen? Again, there's some people, they will entry, they will making dirty. So you are also doing the cleaning operations. So the operation won't be success for you. So that is what they are saying is a non-synchronized. Okay. Okay. So synchronized means whenever I am doing the operation, it won't allow, it will lock. It will be locking. It won't accept any other people to enter or any other jobs to proceed. That's what synchronized. But here is array list is a non-synchronized one. So we can, but that is the main feature of this array list. Allow random access and null values. You can access any value randomly and it will store the null values as well. Null value means nothing. Okay, not empty, it's a null. String default value is null. Okay, and the performance is too slow because it is using the resizable array concept actually. Okay, shifting occurs when the deletion. For example, I have 10 elements. The 8th element is deleted. What will happen? Automatically, my 9th element will move to the 8th position, 10th element will move to the 9th position. So that kind of shifting will occur. Okay, this is theoretical, just for your knowledge only, no need to worry about that. Oh, why it is, why should I know all the things? That's theoretical. Okay, no need to worry about that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what about this linked list? Same thing actually. This is uses the doubly linked list to store the elements. Okay. Again, it will store the duplicates. The insertion order, same thing, non-synchronized. Speed performance. Okay, internally uses the linked list concept. No bit shifting deletion of shifting operation. So here is shifting occurs right when the deletion, but here is no shifting. Okay, that is the concept of linked list. Okay, now let's see technically how it is working. Okay, now let's see how that operation is happening here. This is a Java project, right? Just go there, right click, new class, okay, list, example. I'm just creating one class, okay, one class, okay, list class. This is the normal Java class. I'm just creating, okay. I'm creating one method public void. Okay. What is the method I'm planning to create here is something like list operations. Okay. So what is the list is actually I'm going to create list L is equal to something. Okay. If you see this, you'll be getting the error. Okay, you have to resolve it. Hover the mouse and try to get it. Don't take AWT, take the util. Okay, fine. Now L is equal to new array list. Okay, hover the mouse and this one. Okay, so what is this actually? This is the interface. This is the interface. This is the class. Okay, fine. L dot. How to add the element in the particular list? L dot add of. What is the name I am planning to add? I can add Kavita. Okay. And I want to add something your salary, something like or your something your salary, something I'm adding. Okay, something like 300. For example, I'm simply adding. Okay, 300. I'm just adding. Okay, just adding the number. And add one more is I'm just adding like 1 point something. I want to add anything, any floating point I can add. Floating point details. Any floating point. Something I'm adding some floating my number. Okay, 1.1 something. Okay, some character I'm adding actually. L dot add up. Okay, something like C, just I'm adding. So what are the things I added in the particular, in the collections? I added string, I added integer, I added float, I added character. Now tell me, now you can see this. It's a collection of different elements. Okay, so we can say it's a collection of different elements. Okay, store elements. Simply I'm saying it's a storing element. Again, now let's go to our statement. Our statement, what it is saying, it will be allowing the duplicates also. Can I store duplicates? Can I store the same thing one more time? Yes, it will allow.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is.
Okay. Duplicate.
It's allowing the duplicate.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how to retrieve this public? Okay. Void. Okay. Now, how to retrieve this one? Retrieve it already. We can do it here itself only. How to retrieve it? Retrieval is very simple. For okay, object temp. Okay, here is what is the my list name? L. I will explain that why I am doing like this. Object, okay, spelling is wrong.
Spelling.
Okay, and so temp. Okay, now how can I access this particular method? For example, here is my functionality is there. How to access this particular one? Just to go to the class, create the object equal to this one. So if I want to access this particular method, how can I access it actually? Where is this particular object is the method is located? This method is located in the class level. If I want to access particular method means I have to create the object. So class name, object name is equal to new.
Class name.
Yeah, class name. So L dot, what is my method name? My method name is,
This stops.
yes, list of. Okay. So what I have to run it as, this is the Java class, right? So simply I'm running as the Java applications. See, you see here is the output is coming, right?
Correct.
Okay. We can look more on this one. Okay. Tomorrow I can look more on this one. How to remove everything. Okay. For example, L dot remove. Okay. Remove index. Index. What is the index actually? This is the zero basis. Okay. What is it actually? 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I want to remove this zero, index 0.
So that Kavita will be removed.
Yes, I want to delete the Kavita. See?
Yeah.
Kavita is gone, right? Now, I want to remove that, the name, the Kavita. I want to remove by the directly the object name. Here the object name is Kavita, right? I want to remove it.
So direct also we can give.
Yes.
Using the integer index value also we can remove.
Agree.
Both the ways we can remove.
Agree. So see, the Kavita is gone, right? Again, so there is a lot of different methods are here. We can add the object, okay? We can add the object in the specific location too. For example, again you feel this bus, I want to add Kavita again. So I want to add it in the position number 3. Can I add it? No problem, we can add it. Add, okay?
Add of
position 3, right? Then you have to add Kavita.
What we have to add, we can give it in the double quotes.
Right. Kavita MDU. Okay, now if I run it, see 0, 1, 2, 3.
Correct.
Got it? So what we are doing actually, what are the operations we are performing here is, what are the operations we are performing here is, we can insertion,
Insertion and deletion.
deletion, we can do the manipulations as well. Sorting
Manipulations.
also we can do that. Searching also we can do that. There are a lot of different things actually. For automation, no need to do all the things. Even we can clear it as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and we can perform the contimes. For example, you want to, if you want, like, you want to perform some kind of operation. If temp contains, okay, if temp dot toString dot contains, okay, if Kavita MDU is present in this one, then print it. Otherwise, don't print it.
Else,
Okay.
else null.
Right. So what will happen? This L contains all the things, right? All the things means, so these all Kavitas are deleted. So right now we have only these three elements, okay, and these three elements, 6 elements and 7 elements we have. But what I am saying actually, this is a we can say it's an iterator. Iterator. It will be fetching one by one. First it will go to the first element, print. Second element, print. That's what it was. It was earlier printing. But right now what I'm saying, boss, check the element and convert into string. ToString means converting into ToString. And it is checking. First element, what is the first element? 300. It contains Kavita MDU? No. Then will it print?
No.
It will check.
Again, it will
not print.
again,
C, not print. Kavita, not Kavita is not there because it's deleted. 300,
Yes.
1.1. C, no. Then again it is taking Kavita MDU. Yes, it contains. Then it will be printed. Now let me run the program. See?
correct.
So this kind of string manipulation we can perform in this particular, in this with the help of this particular list. Okay, we'll look for more something. Okay, some more examples also we can look. If you know this one, you can learn other things easily. Okay.
Okay.
Only you can learn only this one and this one. No need to worry about. This is a very old one, legacy.
Array list and linked list.
Yes, all are same concept only, same method only, same add, same iteration, same thing only. You know one thing, other thing is easy. Only what then why they are using? Only thing is due to the features actually. This is very good speed. This is low speed. That's all. This is using the doubly linked list concept. That is not using the doubly linked list concept. That's all. Okay. Due to that only they are using this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. The time is 3:20. Yeah, I have to go. It's too late for me. Okay.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay. What I will do. I will stop the sharing and maybe I will get it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.